So let's explore a little bit around one question. Maybe that gets us thinking a little bit, thinking about the future of the profession and some of the things that are germane to the profession. And the question is this: is it working? And so is what working? Where do we want to talk about this? So let's think about so many professional preparedness planners are trying very hard to make their companies, their organizations safer, more recoverable, more resilient. Is it working? Are these efforts having an effect? We think so, we assume so. Let's take an example. Suppose that we undertake ISO 22301 for the next year. Suppose we do it for a year and we're done. Did it work? Are we more able to recover from disaster? Well, we've got a lot more BIAs, we have a lot more RAs, we have a certain number of exercises that we've done. What does that tell us? Does that tell us enough? We need to be looking at the metrics. And so I think one of the big things for the next 5 to 10 years, maybe even shorter, is going to be the metrics in our profession. Being able to measure, being able to quantify, and not only qualify, the value that we as professional planners are bringing to the discipline, to the organization. The question ought not to be, can we recover from disaster, but to what extent can we recover from disaster? That's the kind of thing we need to measure, and we need to be able to show our own value. We need to be able to say that when I started working, our organization was this much prepared to recover. A year, 2 years later, we are now this much more prepared to recover.